Alright, I'd like to do one more difference quotient problem. This one's actually going to be right off of our homework from page 148, number 39. So the question just says, compute and simplify the difference quotient, and they give you the difference quotient and then they give you an f of x. So the difference quotient is, I'll abbreviate it, dq. It's going to be f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And they give you in number 39 that f of x is x minus x squared. So we're going to take f of x plus h right here. We're going to subtract from that our f of x, which is x minus x squared. So the first thing you have to do is define f of x plus h. So we're going to put that in blue and call it f of x plus h. So again, anywhere we see an x in our f of x, we're going to replace those x's with x plus h's. So we start with x, we're going to replace that with x plus h. X minus x squared, so that x gets replaced. And we need to simplify. X plus h. Now I'm going to say minus the quantity. Distribute that out. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And we don't want any parentheses, so x plus h minus x squared minus 2xh. We're just distributing this minus sign here. Minus h squared. So we now have f of x plus h defined. Now I'm going to color code that to be red. And then over here we'll do our difference quotient. So our f of x plus h is in blue. Minus f of x divided by h. Now I'm going to write that as, divide our line here, f of x plus h was x plus h minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared. From that we're going to subtract f of x, which is just x minus x squared take all that divided by h. And we get, I'm going to do one more simplification, x what I want to do is distribute that negative with the parentheses. So that's minus x plus x squared then that's all over h. So from there, let's see what we can't cancel out. We'll use this color. So this x here and this x here cancel out. We have a minus x squared plus x squared, they cancel. It looks like that's all we can cancel, so we'll rewrite this. h minus 2xh minus h squared over h. Now here, we're still not done yet, because if you notice, all three of our terms have an h in them. So I'm going to pull an h out front and say we have 1 minus 2x minus h all over h. And the reason we do that is that then that h can cancel out. And we don't quite get it all on one page, but our difference quotient is just 1 minus 2x minus h. Now the back of the book has them rearranged. I believe they have it as negative 2x minus h plus 1. No matter what order you write it in, that is still your difference quotient. So this one's a little messier than the review problem, so I wanted to show you one where you had an x squared term and see what happens with it. So that's, again, how you do a difference quotient, and good luck on the quiz.